designers. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a banger first slide, where we will be discussing two things. The first thing is how you can edit the image of the first slide, and the second thing is how you can create a headline that actually baits people into the carousel. So we'll be discussing the both. The first one is already discussed in the IGTV video of today. I'll be dropping the link in the description for you to go there, and also the second part is uploaded over here. That is how we can create a perfect headline for our carousel so that we can drive people inside of the carousel completely. So we'll be jumping right into my computer and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's jump right into it. So number one is a clickbait. Clickbait is basically what we will be talking about, or we will be promising something in the first slide and then we'll be delivering it in the next slide, the upcoming slides. Okay, that will be a clickbait. And the second thing is the conflict one. Now what we can do is we can form a conflict between the subject that we are talking about, topic we are talking about, and something that is controversial. If we create controversies, then you will be getting more engagement as well. It doesn't mean that you need to create more controversies, but it's just a part on how you can use headlines. Okay, and the third thing is how you can talk about something that is totally opposite of what people are expecting. Suppose you usually talk about the positive things, right? So what if we come up with a totally negative in the first slide headline? Then more of the people will be knowing, okay, what this guy is talking about. He's always so positive, and why is he being so negative? A perfect example of it would be you must have seen many people putting out this carousel, I quit. Now many people, even I have done that, but it's amazing. It actually drives in a lot of traffic. So in this one we will be using the first one, that is a clickbait. We'll be promising something to people. So what if we could have now we have promised something over here. Now we are talking about we will be guaranteeing them 200 followers every single day. So this is gonna be an interesting carousel. So this actually promises something, so it will be working as a clickbait. So we are using this image. Another thing what you can do over here is highlight those points. Suppose this one, will be highlighting it. On IG, and then we will be creating an arrow over here. Here we go, we have created the arrow completely. Now we can just merge these layers. Excuse me. We can merge these layers and drag it. Here we go. What another thing we can do is we can add a background. I chose this background because it looks really good to have something like stars in the background. I love having stars in the background. So we can just put it at the end like this. Decrease the size, of course. This background doesn't suit with the type of image we have, so we will be actually changing the color. We'll be taking hue and saturation. Okay, now this one looks good. So that's it. Another thing is we can just, it's too bright, we can just reduce the brightness a bit. Here we go, perfect. So here we go, we have completed the whole banger first slide. I hope this video helped you in order to create the first slide completely. in the next video we will be talking about how we can create the whole carousel. Now this one took us about 10 to 15 minutes to be max, and the next thing that we will be doing is we will be directly jumping in and creating the carousels. So we will be writing the copy and designing the whole stuff. It will be really a fun task, so do not miss that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also you are active on my Instagram, because I also put out IGTV videos on how you can create something like these things. So we'll be jumping right in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and keep creating for a change.